back to an earlier story now where Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging Jamaicans to prepare for Hurricane Beryl as it moves towards Barbados. Kelisha Williams has that story.
At a stakeholder conference in St. Andrews Saturday afternoon, Prime Minister Andrew Holness opened his presentation with an update on the impending tropical storm Beryl.
Various models have projected that tropical storm Beryl will probably impact Jamaica. All the models have suggested that if it is not a direct impact, it will be in the vicinity of Jamaica. We expect that this will bring adverse weather conditions. And we expect that by Wednesday morning, we will be experiencing such conditions.
It followed an advisory from the Met Service Saturday morning that the storm, located about 800 miles off the coast of Barbados, could pose a serious threat to the island. It said the storm could become a hurricane tonight or Sunday morning as it moves towards the Windward Islands.
And it is heading west quite rapidly. Barbados and other Eastern Caribbean islands have already put out tropical storm warnings, and it is expected that by Monday morning, tropical storm Beryl will probably have strengthened and would be in the region of Barbados.
Which is why Mr. Holness is urging Jamaicans to take heed. He explained that all emergency teams have been activated through the various agencies as the country braces for the storm.
And this is for you to make some decisions about how you're going to prepare if this tropical storm strengthens and becomes a hurricane and does impact Jamaica. So you should be making your decisions now about getting your precautionary stocks of goods.